So in my documents table, I try to set again the column, and I want to try using the filter document name, for example PDF like this, and it will display PDF admission appointment. And I remove again the filter, and after that there is a back to the default display proof of payment and PDF also. But when I try to using the type column, I try to search admission appointment. Here admission appointment to display also here PDF admission appointment. But when I try to remove again and I click outside of the field, it is not display back to the default display in the documents in the my documents. And yes, after here I should click reset to the document by default. So it should align with the PDF my document volume when I filter. When I try to remove again what I filtering, it should be back to the default display all the document automatically. So I no need to click reset again. Just hit order proof of the payment, and I remove again. Should display spinner and display all the document after I remove the filtering in the my document. So when I select filtering in the type and I remove again, it should back to the default or the display all the document in the my document table.